world's gonna end. Holy fuck. It's over there.
Alright, let's go,
Look at that one. Oh, thanks.
Grab.
No way.
This is fucking crazy. Oh my god. We had like 80-mile-an-hour winds. That's enough to fucking knock down a 5-ton tree. Dude, the fucking...
Look at this milk. Just look at it. It's probably rancid.
The fucking smoking corner's ruined.
Ah!
Ew, come.
It's disgusting.
Hold the camera real quick. I'm gonna light my cigarette.
Oh.
Real quick.
What, this?
Yeah, I gotta... Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Oh. Don't smoke, kids. It's bad.
It is very bad.
You will fucking die and burn in hell because God's gonna come eat your soul.
Yep. How you do that?
I'm just what? Oh.
I'm just kidding. I don't care.
Wait, it's one of my fins.
Oh yeah, check those out, dude.
Haha, Brody style. I went shopping at Hot Topic, so I just bought a shitload of...
What's up, YouTube?
And Facebook.
Oh yeah, Facebook.
That's Brock Kelson, my weird
Colson.
friend. Colson!
Yeah. Don't smoke, kids.
Dude. Oh my, let's go over there.
Okay, let's go over. Fuck it.
Think they're ever gonna clean this up? It's gonna take them fucking forever to clean this shit up. Dude, you know the Mediterranean cuisine back there?
Yeah.
The fucking sign was in the street. Like the pieces of the sign.
Wait, which Mediterranean?
That one way back
The
there.
Apollo one?
Way back there.
Oh.
The one that's empty. That was a Mediterranean cuisine. It's been there since... Dude, that thing has been abandoned forever, but that fucking sign is like... Pieces of the sign were coming off.
What's it called again?
Mediterranean cuisine. Oh, monkey fuck, dude. There's 3 fucking trees down over here. Oh. Oh, dude, there's one way over there. This is fucking...
What is this? Oh my god.
Oh my god, the world's gonna fucking end. Oh.
All the trees are gonna be rooted.
Now I'm starting to fucking believe this shit, dude.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Are you fucking kidding me?
Whoa. They all run away, that's funny.
Okay, we're not in trouble.
Even if they're doing nothing wrong, they run away.
Oh, that's River's Edge for you. They always done for the cops, even though they're not fucking doing anything wrong.
Oh my gosh, what are they gonna do?
Let's have, dude, we should have a rave in one of these pits.
Oh, dude. Oh, never mind, I can't.
Oh, dude, you fucking kidding me? You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh, this is fucking...
How do those trees stay in? They're small as crap. Good.
Well, at first I saw pieces of branches on the ground. Then I come over to the park across the street and I see all these fucking down. Dude, I don't know what to say about this, dude. Oh my god, the vagina tree got knocked down. The tree with the vagina, I took a picture of it a long time ago. Oh. Oh no! Wait, is this the tree? No, I don't think it is. No, it's right over there!
Still standing strong.
China has a vagina. That makes it tough. Oh. God. Oh, dude.
It's like the world needs a savior.
Yep, still standing.
Oh damn, I see it.
You freaking, I used to put my cigarettes in there.
Alright, let's go to the corner here, dude. I'm
I finished this. Okay, the world's gonna end. Bye bye.